Welcome to my channel, it's Terrence Carter. I bet you didn't know how much money you waste on unnecessary things. Folks, we all want to be financially secure, and the path to wealth isn't a mystery. It's about common sense more than anything else. One of the most fundamental principles is understanding the difference between an asset and a liability. An asset puts money in your pocket, a liability takes it out. We're going to take a page from the Oracle of Omaha himself, Warren Buffett, and look at 15 common things people waste money on. So, whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, these tips will resonate with you. Let's dive in. Let's talk about coffee. I enjoy a good cup of joe as much as the next person, but let's be honest, that daily $5 latte adds up. Think about it. $5 a day is $150 a month, and over a year, you're looking at $1,800. Now imagine if you invested that money instead. Brewing your coffee at home is a simple yet powerful way to save money without sacrificing your daily ritual. Every time you resist that fancy latte, you're essentially putting money back into your pocket. By identifying and eliminating unnecessary expenses, you free up more resources to invest in your future. So, ditch the expensive coffee habit and start brewing your way to financial freedom. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more insightful content. We live in a world obsessed with brands, especially when it comes to clothing. But let me tell you folks, that logo often comes with a hefty price tag. You're paying a premium for the name, not necessarily for better quality. The key is to be a savvy shopper. Look for quality fabrics, good construction, and timeless styles that will last beyond the next fashion cycle. By focusing on quality and durability, you can build a wardrobe that reflects your personal style without compromising your financial well-being. True style is about confidence and how you carry yourself, not about flashing expensive logos. If you like videos like this, make sure to subscribe to Terrence Carter's YouTube channel.
We all know that exercise is important for our health, but how many of us are guilty of paying for gym memberships we rarely use? The good news is, there are plenty of ways to stay fit without shelling out for an expensive gym membership. You can go for walks or runs in your neighborhood, explore free online workout videos, or even turn household chores into mini workouts. Get creative, have fun, and watch your wallet get healthier along with your body.
Now, I enjoy a nice meal out as much as anyone, but eating at restaurants too often can put a serious dent in your budget. Those restaurant meals may seem like a treat, but they add up quickly, especially when you factor in tips and drinks. Cooking at home, on the other hand, is not only easier on your wallet, but also a great way to eat healthier and control the ingredients in your food. It's a chance to experiment with new recipes, involve your family in the kitchen, and create memories around the dinner table. So ditch the restaurant rut and start enjoying delicious and budget-friendly meals from the comfort of your own home. You might even discover a hidden talent for cooking.
We live in a world obsessed with the latest and greatest gadgets, new phones, smartwatches, tablets. It seems like there's always something new to tempt us. But before you rush out to buy the newest tech, ask yourself if you need it or just want it. Technology depreciates faster than almost anything else. Instead of chasing the latest trends, be strategic with your tech purchases. Your money is better spent on investments that appreciate in value, not gadgets that quickly become yesterday's news.
Now, I understand the allure of a luxury car. They're beautiful, powerful, and make a statement. But folks, let me tell you, a car is a depreciating asset, and luxury cars depreciate the fastest. Instead of pouring your hard-earned money into a vehicle that rapidly loses value, consider buying a reliable used car. You'll save a significant amount of money on depreciation, insurance, and taxes. Invest your money wisely, and you'll be able to afford the things that truly matter in life. And who knows, you might even be able to retire early with all the money you save.
We've all been there walking through the store, browsing online, and suddenly we see something we just have to have. Impulse purchases are the enemy of a sound financial plan. Before you buy anything, especially a big-ticket item, take some time to think it over. By resisting the urge to buy on impulse, you'll make more mindful decisions and keep your finances on track. And who knows, you might even find that the desire to buy fades away when you give yourself time to think it through. Now, I understand the allure of the lottery. That dream of winning big and changing your life overnight is tempting. But folks, let's be realistic. The odds of winning the lottery are astronomically slim. Instead of spending your hard-earned money on lottery tickets, invest it in something with a much higher probability of paying off, like your education, your business, or the stock market. Building wealth takes time, patience, and smart decisions. Don't gamble your financial future on something as unpredictable as the lottery. Invest in yourself and your future instead.
With so many streaming services available today, paying for a premium cable package is like throwing money away. Do you really need hundreds of channels you never watch? Cut the cord and explore the world of streaming services. You'll likely find that you can access all your favorite shows and movies for a fraction of the cost. Don't let expensive cable bills drain your entertainment budget, and who knows, you might even discover some hidden gems in the vast world of streaming that you never knew existed.
In many places, tap water is perfectly safe and often just as clean as bottled water. Yet we spend billions of dollars each year on single-use plastic bottles. Not only is this expensive, but it's also terrible for the environment. Invest in a reusable water bottle and fill it up at home or at work. You'll save money, reduce plastic waste, and stay hydrated. It's a win-win-win situation. We live in a world of subscriptions, streaming services, music apps, meal kits, the list goes on. While these services can be convenient, they can also quietly drain your bank account if you're not careful. Take inventory of all your subscriptions and be honest with yourself about which ones you actually use and enjoy. Cancel the ones you rarely touch. You'll be surprised how much you can save. By regularly reviewing and managing your subscriptions, you'll keep your budget in check and avoid unnecessary expenses.
Banks are in the business of making money, and they often do so through a myriad of fees: ATM fees, overdraft fees, monthly maintenance fees, the list goes on. These fees might seem small individually, but they can add up over time, eating away at your hard-earned money. Be aware of the fees your bank charges and explore ways to avoid them. Consider switching to a credit union or an online bank that offers lower fees or fee-free checking accounts. By being mindful of bank fees and exploring alternative options, you can keep more of your money where it belongs, in your pocket. And who knows? You might even find a financial institution that values your business and treats you like a valued customer, not just a number.
Extended warranties are often marketed as a way to protect your purchases and give you peace of mind. But folks, let me tell you, they're usually not worth the money. In most cases, the manufacturer's warranty will cover any major issues, and the chances of needing an extended warranty are slim. Before you purchase an extended warranty, read the fine print carefully and consider the cost versus the potential benefits. In many cases, you're better off saving your money and self-insuring for the unlikely event that something goes wrong. Be a savvy shopper and make informed decisions about your purchases. Now, I appreciate well-made furniture as much as anyone, but paying exorbitant prices for designer labels is often unnecessary. You're essentially paying a premium for the name and the perceived status that comes with it. Instead of falling into the designer furniture trap, look for quality pieces at antique stores, consignment shops, or even online marketplaces. You'll be surprised at the unique and affordable treasures you can find. Create a space you love without breaking the bank by being a savvy shopper and exploring alternative options. And who knows, you might even stumble upon a one-of-a-kind piece with a story behind it that adds character and charm to your home. The diet industry is a multi-billion-dollar business that thrives on our desire for quick fixes and easy solutions. But folks, let me tell you, there's no magic pill or trendy diet that will magically melt away the pounds. Instead of wasting your money on expensive diet programs, supplements, or meal replacement shakes, focus on adopting a healthy and sustainable lifestyle. Eat a balanced diet, get regular exercise, and listen to your body. True health is about making sustainable changes that you can maintain over the long term. Invest in your health by making smart choices that nourish your body and support your overall well-being. Pause 3S. Now that we've explored some common money traps, here are some additional financial tips to help you save money. Create a budget and stick to it. A clear budget can help you track your spending and identify areas where you can cut back. Avoid impulse purchases by making a shopping list. Plan your shopping trips and stick to your list to avoid buying unnecessary items. Use cashback and reward programs. Take advantage of cashback offers and reward points to get more value from your purchases. Cook at home instead of eating out. Preparing your meals at home is often cheaper and healthier than dining out. Buy generic brands instead of name brands. Generic products can offer the same quality as name brands at a fraction of the cost. Cancel unused subscriptions. Regularly review your subscriptions and cancel those you no longer use or need. Shop around for better insurance rates. Compare insurance policies to ensure you're getting the best deal for your coverage needs. Pay off high-interest debt first. Focus on paying down debts with the highest interest rates to save money on interest payments. Save a portion of your income regularly. Set aside a portion of your earnings each month to build an emergency fund and save for future goals. Invest in your future by contributing to retirement accounts. Take advantage of retirement savings plans to secure your financial future. By implementing these tips, you can take control of your finances and make the most of your hard-earned money. Remember, every small step you take towards financial responsibility adds up over time, leading to greater financial freedom and security. Keep these tips in mind and watch your savings grow. Pause 3S. Folks, we've covered a lot of ground today, but the underlying message is simple. Be mindful of your spending. It's not about depriving yourself, but about making conscious choices that align with your financial goals. By cutting back on unnecessary expenses and making smart financial decisions, you'll free up more resources to invest in the things that truly matter: your education, your business, your family, and your future. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Thank you for joining me today, folks. Start making smart choices today and watch your financial future brighten with each passing day. And don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips and insights.